Hey, this is your favorite tech with another tutorial. Be sure to check us out on our website or text us if you need tech support. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix the problem if you're getting an error that says the operating system is not found. Now, in order to do this, you're going to not be able to load up your computer. So you're going to need to get to your boot menu. There's a lot of ways to do that. Press delete, press escape while your computer is booting up, F12. You can search on Google or your phone to figure out how to do that. But when you get to the boot menu, you're going to want your boot disk. So your boot disk is either going to be a CD or DVD, or you can install a boot disk on a basic USB drive, and you're going to boot up your computer using that. So in this menu option, you're going to select your bootable device. We're going to probably select CD-ROM for this example. Please go to YouTube and search how to boot a BIOS, DVD, or USB drive to boot up your computer before you can get to this screen. Okay, so for the example, we're going to be using a CD-ROM drive or DVD, or basically a CD drive. So we're going to arrow down to 3. All right, it's going to go ahead and start loading up your Windows operating system. You're going to just basically go through the motions, so you're going to just put in all your information. We're not actually reinstalling Windows. We're just using the installation media as a backdoor way to troubleshoot our issues. So we're not going to click install. We're going to actually click repair your computer using the installation media. Then we're going to get to kind of your safe mode blue screen option. You select troubleshoot. Now you're going to left click on command prompt. All right, now it's going to take us to the command prompt in the elevated system administrator tab. Type in diskpart, D-I-S-K-P-A-R-T. Hit enter. Type in list, then space, volume, V-O-L-U-M-E. Hit enter. So you want to select the volume that contains our operating system. So we're talking about your actual C drive where you normally would install your operating system on. So we're looking for that hard disk. Now these are different disk partitions. It would normally say partition. It wouldn't say DVD-ROM or USB-ROM. It would not have any reserve label, as you can see here. It would be a blank spot. And typically it should be fairly large, right? It's your hard drive, right? It's where all of your stuff's at. As you can see here, mine is 39 gigabytes. So that's most likely going to be our main hard drive. You should select yours based on what's available on your menu after running this diskpart list volume function. So we're gonna go ahead and type in select base volume, then select the number or the volume. So just type in 2, don't spell out, just the actual numeral 2, and that's going to know to select our actual 39 gigabyte hard drive. Now type in active, A-C-T-I-V-E, hit enter. So it should say diskpart, mark current partition as active. Now type in assign, A-S-S-I-G-N, type exit, or you could just X out on the window. Go ahead and reset your computer at this point. Actually, go ahead and type exit again. You got to press exit twice. Type exit again and press enter. And it's going to take you back to this blue screen. Turn off your PC, restarting your PC, and you should be good. Hey, if you found this video valuable, go ahead and return the favor by liking and subscribing to this channel. If you subscribe, type the phrase "I subscribed" in the comment section below. Keep in mind, when you subscribe, it motivates us to continue to make these free videos. Lastly, if you enjoy learning about technology, entrepreneurship, or making money online, go ahead and check out my other videos on my other channel. Thanks for your support.